everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Steven Messiah here. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, please go down below and click that subscribe button along with that notification bell right next to it so you never miss out when I upload a new video. Please also make sure to leave a like and a comment so I know your feedback. So anyways, today we're going to be learning how to make brownies. These brownies are amazing. They're full of fudge. They're chocolatey. Please make sure to stick around till the end of the video. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to start off by combining our flour, our cocoa powder, and our baking powder in a medium bowl, and we're going to whisk it until it has been thoroughly combined. And I'm going to run all the ingredients on the screen right now. And once our mixture looks like this, we're gonna put it off to the side and we're gonna bring in another medium bowl with new ingredients. And in this medium bowl, we are going to put in our butter, our sugar, and our water. All our ingredients again are gonna be displayed on the screen. We are then going to mix all our ingredients with an electrical hand mixer. Afterwards, we're going to be adding our eggs. Then we're going to be adding our vanilla extract to our eggs. We then are going to mix all those ingredients until they have been thoroughly combined. We then are going to add our cocoa powder mix to this mix. We then are going to mix all of those ingredients together until it's one thorough mixture. Finally, we are going to transfer this batter into a 9x13 greased cake pan. Our first step before putting our batter into our 9x13 cake pan, we are going to grease it with coconut oil. After our pan has been fully greased, we are then going to put our batter into the pan. And after we have poured our batter into our 9x13 cake pan that is greased, we're going to take it to the oven, which will be preheated to 350 degrees. And we'll know it's ready when you stick a fork in there and it comes out good and clean, which will be about 18 to 20 minutes, about that time. And we're about to take the brownie to the oven. It is done preheating. Alright guys, and the brownie has just come out of the oven. I've decorated the plate with some strawberries and also some chocolate syrup. Here's how it looked at the end. It's really good. Make sure to not over bake the brownie or else it's not going to be moist and it's going to be crunchy. It'll be done in about like 18 to 20 minutes or so. And you can also stick a fork in there, and if it comes out clean, then that's how you know that it's ready. But without further ado, let's see how this tastes. This brownie is really good. The edge is the top part. It's crunchy, but not too much where you won't want to eat it where it's dry. But the inside, you dig into it and you eat the inside, and it's so good and it's moist and it's soft. You'd keep craving for more. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a good day. And if you like this video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up and also leave a comment so I know your feedback. And if you liked it even more, please make sure to click that subscribe button down below along with that notification bell right next to it so you never miss out when I upload a brand new recipe.